Today, I'm teaching you guys. Hope you guys can see your friend's birthday on Snapchat. So it's pretty simple. So remember, if your friend has made his or her birthday public, and only you can see it. If they haven't, then you're not going to be able to see. That will provide all the example for it. So if your friend has made it public, then you can basically just click on their profile. So, for an example, I'm going to click on my friend of enough profile. Several click on his profile picture, and it's going to show me 16 Jan right below his name. Alright, and as you guys can see, that's his birthday. That's basically his birthday. So I can click on 16 Jan, and it's going to show me all the other friend whose birthday are not hidden. So these are all the friends in my friend group who has not hidden their birthday. I've been of Shin FIBA. So just like this, you can see the list by clicking on the birthday of any one of your friend. But if you click on the profile of a person who has not shared his birthday, so, for an example, by the lolly, I can click on it. And as you guys can see, nothing is being shown over here because he has not shared his birthday, or he has not made it public, or he has not enter the birthday over here. That's why nothing is being shown over here. So that is basically why I cannot see anything. But yeah, that is basically how we guys can see your friend's birthday on Snapchat, only if they have made it public. So if you guys found her video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye. Have a nice day.